Welcome back, Watch Addicts. Today is Wednesday the 8th and my June watch has arrived. Can't believe it. It's here already. Little wristwatch check with my Seiko Turtle. Lovely watch. Seen this in my Seiko videos. Anyway, let's get down to business. Let's have a look what we've got. Cleared, status cleared. Let's cut through that. So let's see if it's the good, the bad, or the downright ugly. Oh, oh. You could win this. Yes, I've already got one, so it doesn't matter. So let's see what we've got. Chronofixie. Not heard of that before. So let's just put the camera down a little bit more and we can see properly. So Chronofixie, what's this? A £275 watch. It is the, that's the F-SM-005. So that's the number. Right, I'm not expecting anything brilliant because I've never heard of this before. So are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, it doesn't look too bad. See, what's that? Is that a brown dial? It is. Is it brown or is it black? It's a brown dial. Get that off. Up to GMT. Well, I've got to say, oh my god, look at that rotating bezel. Very London, that. And it'll just about lines up. We'll check that out. Let's light over here a little bit more and you can have a proper look. Doesn't look too bad. What is it? Another quartz. Suppose we're not that lucky this month. But honestly, it's not that bad. I guess it'll be getting a bit of wrist time. Let's have a look at the strap. See what type of strap. The press strap. Look at this. Oh, no, wrong way. I'll sort that out after. So what have we got here? Let's get rid of this thing. So they reckon this retails at, what was it? $275. Probably knock $100 off that at least. But that doesn't look too bad. So get the Seiko off. Right, I need to apologise because I thought my wrists were 7-inch. And actually not 7-inch. I did say that they had gone a bit bigger, but when I measured it, it was actually 7 3/4 inch. But never mind. But that's what it looks like on the wrist. Doesn't look all that bad actually. Kind of liking that, even though it's got a brown dial. Yeah, I think quite a few watches now are getting like the brown dials to make them a little bit more authentic. Like my Seiko 62 mass I've got. Well, I've got to say, pretty happy with that actually. Is it worth 120? Probably 100. But you know, you can't beat them all. But I'm liking that strap. Let's have a look at this strap. See if we've got no, not got solid end links in it. Just hollow end links on it. Just a cheaper style clasp, but to be honest, the bracelet doesn't look all that bad. Oh, off the back. Bracelet doesn't look all that bad, to be honest. Quite chunky. Let's have a look at the back. So, that way. Chrono Fixie. All stainless steel. 100 meters water resistant. Oh, Swiss movement, so it's probably got around it's only single, so it'll be a 515 or something like that. It won't be, will it? It's because it's a GMT, so it'll be a different one. Well, it doesn't look too bad actually. You know, better than most of them I've got. Anyway, this is June's watch. I'm going to keep this short because I've got other stuff to do. But, you know, I do like it. It's not a bad watch. Well, it doesn't look like a Mickey Mouse watch. Oh, there we go. So hopefully this weekend I'll be back at Llandegla Bike Park, as long as the weather keeps off, but it has got forecast for rain, so I'm not very happy about that. And I have been looking at some new bikes, so we just have to wait and see what I get. So anyway, this is the Chrono Fixie CFX-SM-005. So anyway, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all soon.